Grandma's secret Jewish coffee cake recipe, irresistible cinnamon streusel goodness. Hey there, lovely viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something truly special in store for you. We're going to dive into the depths of a cherished family recipe, Grandma's secret Jewish coffee cake. Get ready for a delightful journey of flavors, textures, and that unmistakable aroma that'll transport you straight to your grandmother's kitchen. Free ebook. Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee. The adult alcohol. Worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover. Ingredients. For the cake. 2 cups all-purpose flour. 1 cup granulated sugar. 1/2 cup unsalted butter, softened. 1 cup sour cream. 2 large eggs. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. 1 teaspoon baking powder. 1/2 teaspoon baking soda. 1/2 teaspoon salt. For the streusel, 1 cup chopped walnuts or pecans. 1/2 cup packed brown sugar. 2 teaspoons ground cinnamon. Instructions. Preheat and prepare. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Grease and flour a tube or bundt pan. Make the streusel. In a small bowl, mix together the chopped nuts, brown sugar, and ground cinnamon. Set aside. Prepare the cake batter. In a large mixing bowl, cream together the softened butter and granulated sugar until light and fluffy. Add the eggs, one at a time, beating well after each addition. Then, stir in the vanilla extract. In a separate bowl, whisk together the flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the butter-sugar mixture, alternating with sour cream. Begin and end with the dry ingredients. Mix until just combined, don't overmix. Assemble and bake. Spread half of the cake batter into the prepared pan. Sprinkle half of the streusel mixture evenly over the batter. Carefully spread the remaining cake batter over the streusel layer. Top with the rest of the streusel mixture, ensuring an even distribution. Bake and enjoy. Place the pan in the preheated oven and bake for about 40-45 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Once baked, remove the cake from the oven and let it cool in the pan for about 15 minutes. Gently invert the cake onto a wire rack to cool completely. And there you have it, the cherished recipe for Grandma's secret Jewish coffee cake. The tender crumb, the sweet cinnamon streusel, and the nostalgic memories it brings will warm your heart and satisfy your cravings. Whether you're enjoying it with a hot cup of coffee, sharing it with loved ones, or savoring a slice all to yourself, this cake is a true delight. Thanks for joining us today in celebrating this timeless recipe. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our delicious recipes. Until next time, happy baking!
Illuminate your Christmas with the "I Went a Flamingo for Christmas" mug. This delightful mug brings the holiday spirit to life with its charming flamingo pink color and twinkling lights design. Sip your favorite hot beverage while immersing yourself in the festive ambience this mug creates. Perfect as a gift or for adding a touch of whimsy to your own collection, this mug is sure to make your Christmas merry and bright. Spread the holiday cheer with this unique and eye-catching mug.